Just for a minute, I just want to do a quick comparison between mitosis, which is the division of regular body cells, and meiosis, which happens to be sex cell division. In mitosis, we start out with 46 chromosomes in the human, and we get 2 cells that are 46 in the end. So if this is diploid 2N, then both of the offspring are diploid 2N. Skin, hair, nails, bone. Apparently nerve tissue doesn't do a lot of mitosis. Looking at meiosis, which is sex cell division, we're talking about the formation of gametes. We're talking about sperm in the instance of males and eggs in the instance of females. The original spermatogonium and oogonium in human males and females is 2N or diploid. The first step is meiosis 1, and that produces 2 intermediate versions, which are both 23N haploid. Each one of these will go through a mitotic phase, which is actually called meiosis 2. And in the case of males, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 offspring sperm. And in the case of females, there will be 1 functional oocyte and several polar bodies. Some sources say there are only 2, but the polar bodies in the female allow for the chromosome number to be halved. The oocyte is the only one that can be fertilized. It's the one that has all the groceries that will sustain the baby on its way to the endometrial lining. Usually the sperm will fertilize the egg in the fallopian tube, the distal 1/3. Remember that compared to an oocyte, a sperm is a little tiny thing, not a big wiggler like this, but a little tiny thing, 1,000 times smaller. About 200 million sperm in a single ejaculate, 25 to 50 reach the egg. In fertilization of an egg, the sperm first penetrates through the outer layer called the corona radiata, then through the zona pellucida. And then there are massive chemical changes that occur that only allow the nucleus of one sperm to enter and unite with the nucleus of the female. And then apparently only about 50% of fertilizations will make it full term. So not only are you 1 in 200 million, but you're actually about 1.5 of a billion. That's how unique you are, because out of the 200 sperm that get there, 1 hits the jackpot, wears the party hat, and only 1 out of every 2 makes it to full term. So you're very special. You were the fastest and the best on that day. Mitosis and meiosis.